So, good morning, all of you, and welcome to the full moon meditation. ఫాస్టింగ్ లో వాటర్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఎస్ నేచర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. You are not doing the wet dry fasting, so you can happily consume water or maybe coconut water or maybe sugarcane juice, milk. All these are included. So, good morning, all of you, and welcome to the special super full moon session. And why this is the super full moon? Okay, why we are calling
Ma'am,
this? Who is this? Madhavi garu.
good morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning, Rakshit. Please, Rakshit, okay, నేను తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను. Good morning, good morning. So, why we are calling this super full moon? Super full moon means it will come to near the earth orbit. మీన్స్ మన భూమి కక్షలోపటికి చాలా దగ్గరగా వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో వన్స్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ టుడే మూన్. I have taken some pics. Ending of the session I will share. Who are in India, just go and look at the moon. So you will see the very, very bright full moon, very bright. Okay. And who are in other places like Bhuvana, Sharda madam. So maybe according to your timing, you can check your full moon. Okay, and today our topic is today is a very auspicious day. Like in Hindu calendar, we can take the Kartika full moon, and in this month, Kartika month, okay, we are celebrating the Kartika full moon and Brewers full moon also in other countries. Okay, so today our topic is reduce the anxiety. And why I have taken this topic for the special full moon? See, many are who are suffering with any mental uh, issues, not a severe mental issues, but who are having the anxiety or maybe who are having the restless thinking pattern. So they may experience more in the coming to 3 days before full moon and after 3 to 4 days the full moon. Okay, that's why we need to uh, set the intention in the new moon days. When new moon will be there, na Amavasya day. So everyone need to give the intention, like any health issues or maybe anything, because full moon have the complete feminine energy. So it will heals and it will not only for heal mental health issues, like not only anxiety or maybe it will give the calmness, peace and abundant of energy to heal our physical body. For example, anyone want to heal the hair, anyone want to heal the periods, anyone want to heal the womb, not only for female. Okay, everybody have the masculine and feminine energies, right? So that's why full moon meditation and new moon meditation are very, very important. And today our topic is for the anxiety. And today we are connecting with the inner child also. So this is a very special meditation. And in Kartika Purnami, we all of you know that, okay, 15 days, all this 1 month, we have the Shiv energy and Vishnu energy, Vishnu Bhagavan energy, and both are combined with the Agni Tattva. That's why today we are celebrating the Kartik Purnami, right? And we are illuminating the light, diyas. So that is also have the scientific reason. Especially we are using the sesame oil, and sesame oil have the certain special type of aura that will produce the special type of aura. Ghee is different type of aura, mustard oil is different type of aura, and sesame oil is the different type of aura. Okay, so let's first we can do the full moon meditation. Later I am giving the rituals what you can follow today. First most important thing is the observe the full moon energy, because if you are doing meditation or not, but full moon energy is there on our earth. Okay, it will be giving to the earth. But when we are doing the meditation, because we are accessing the special more energy from the full moon to heal our body. Not only body, what you are giving the intention that will going to be మేనిఫెస్టెడ్ అండ్ మేనిఫెస్టేషన్ అనేది చాలా ఈజీగా అవుతుంది అనమాట ఫుల్ మూన్ డేస్లో. ఎందుకంటే మూన్ నుండి స్పెషల్ యాక్సిస్ అనేది మనం ఎనర్జీని మెడిటేషన్ ద్వారా గ్రహిస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి. సో ఎవ్రీబడి సిట్ కంఫర్టబుల్లీ అండ్ సిప్ సమ్ వాటర్. వాటర్ తప్పకుండా సిప్ చేయండి. హాయ్ బూనా. And anyone is comfortable with Padmasana, half lotus pose, okay, you can sit that. Otherwise not comfortable, just sit in a cross-legged position and spine should be straight. Spine straight గా పెట్టండి. Okay, keep your water glass or bottle పక్కనే మీరు ఏదైతే ఫుల్ మూన్ ఛార్జింగ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఇలా ఛార్జింగ్ వాటర్, క్రిస్టల్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ కీప్ విత్ యూ. If anybody is wearing the crystal, just to remove it now in meditation. ధ్యానం చేసేటప్పుడు పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి. Because today we are charging our crystals, our water. Because every month, Prakriti wants to regenerate. Okay, that's why we are also regenerating ourselves. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Spine should be straight. And just keep with the open up your hands, otherwise Chinmaya Mudra today, Jnana Mudra, okay? Above the sky level. Otherwise, if you want to do the Universal Mudra also like this. But you can keep below the navel band. If you are doing the Universal Mudra, Universal Mudra ఎవరైతే వేసుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళు 40 కింద పెట్టుకోండి. And who are doing the Chinmaya Mudra, Jnana Mudra, just keep on your thighs. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Today we are going to connecting with our inner child also, because severe, chronic, all these are related to our previous 5 years, 10 years, or maybe our childhood. Okay, belief system, or maybe trauma. So that's why we are connecting with the to heal special moon energy with our inner child. Both we are combining. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. Just give your intention for wearing the spectacle. Just keep aside and relax your shoulders. Relax your whole body. Close your eyes. Give your intention for this 20 minutes. I am going to surrender. Only I am in this present moment. ఈ 20 minutes time నాకు ఫ్యూచర్ లేదు, పాస్ట్ లేదు. ఓన్లీ ఐ am in the present moment. Just I am with myself. Relax your shoulders first. Spine should be erected. We are doing the horizontal breathing. That's why we need. Open up your chest. Just open up your chest. First, give your intention. Knowingly and unknowingly. If I am carrying anything, worry, anxiety, or maybe any fear, unknowing fear about relationship, about the health, about the future, anything, okay, which I am carrying, knowingly or maybe unknowingly, I am releasing today with the full moon energy. Whenever I am saying the full moon, just visualize you are seeing the bright illuminated full moon in the sky. Take a pause. Slowly inhale and exhale. నెమ్మదిగా లోతైనటువంటి శ్వాసను తీసుకుని శ్వాస నెమ్మదిగా వదిలివేయండి. Take a deep inhale. Very slowly and deeply. Exhale very deeply. I am giving the 8 count. Okay. For 8 count, you can inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale very slowly and deeply. I hope everyone is listening the music background. Today full moon is called the Beaver's full moon and Kartika Purnima. Today we are observing the divine light and purification. During this time in nature, symbolizing preparation, protection, and emotional grounding. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply and slowly. Relax your head and eyes especially. Relax your forehead and jawline. Second, inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Relax your chest and thoracic area. When I am saying relax, just give yourself I am relaxed. Deeply I am relaxed and just I am with this moment. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hip area. Four. Inhale and exhale. Relax your knees, especially knees. 5. Inhale and exhale. Calf muscle. Inhale and exhale. Your foot. Inhale and exhale. Whole body is relaxed. శరీరం మొత్తం ఒక రిలాక్స్డ్ కామ్ పీస్ పొజిషన్కి వెళ్ళినట్టుగా శరీరానికి మరియు మైండ్కి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అనేది ఇవ్వండి. Usually, full moon amplifies emotions, intuition, and energy vibration. That's why many are feeling felt very high happiness or maybe anything in these days because the body and mind simply adjusting to this cosmic expansion. ఏదైనా ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ అవుతుంది ఈ టైంలో, అందువల్లే ఏ అనుభూతి అయినా కొన్ని రేట్లు ఎక్కువగా మనం అనుభూతి చెందుతాము. And according to ancient scriptures, today Lord Shiva manifested as an endless pillars of divine light that we can call the Jyotirlingas. It symbolizes infinite nature of consciousness. And knowledge is the truth. And Lord Vishnu take the Matsyavatara. It shows the divine protection wherever we are in surrender and devotion. Now just focus on your forehead. మీ యొక్క భృకుటి మధ్యలో మీ యొక్క శ్వాసను నిలపండి. Inhale and exhale. Just visualize you are finding a very peaceful place, very peaceful spot. Soft green, or maybe imagine yourself. First focus on your forehead, in between your eyebrows. Just think beneath the vast night sky. మీ పైన అనంతమైనటువంటి అందమైన ఆకాశం ఉన్నట్టుగా ఊహించుకోండి. విత్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్లౌడ్స్. The breeze is gentle. The leaves are softly dancing. You have many flowers planting. Just sit cross-legged with that garden and feel the beneath sky, and wherever you are sitting, feel the grounding essence, grass or maybe earthy smell. Look at the full moon and close your third eye also. Moonlight bathing your skin in silvery glow. If anyone is not finding the visualization, it's fine. Just try yourself. Again, relax your shoulders, eyebrows, your jaw. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, let go of all the tension that does not belong to you. మీకు అవసరం లేనటువంటి ఏదైనా కానీ నా నుండి నేను విడుదల చేస్తున్నాను. Sometimes we know this is not useful to me or for me, but many times we don't know which is good to ourselves. So just surrender to nature Surrender to your believed God. చాలాసార్లు మనకి ఏది అవసరం, ఏది రిలీజ్ చేయాలని తెలియదు. సో ఇన్ ద ఫుల్ మూన్ డే, జస్ట్ థింక్ అండ్ రిలీజ్. నాకు అవసరం లేని దాన్ని జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ రిలీజింగ్. లెట్ గో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అన్వాంటెడ్ థింగ్స్. నాది ఏదైతే కాదో, నా గ్రోత్కి ఏదైతే ఉపయోగపడదో, ఫిజికల్గా కానివ్వండి, ఫైనాన్షియల్గా కానివ్వండి, స్పిరిచువల్గా కానివ్వండి, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ రిలీజింగ్. Now slowly feel your body grounding, supported by Mother Earth. నెమ్మదిగా మీ శరీరం యొక్క బరువు మీ యొక్క లోవర్ పార్ట్లో గ్రౌండ్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నట్టుగా ఫీల్ దట్ హెవీనెస్. జస్ట్ యు ఆర్ రిలీజింగ్ దట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద మదర్ ఎర్త్. ఈచ్ ఇన్హేల్ Now bring your attention inwards to the vast universe within your body. నెమ్మదిగా మీ యొక్క బ్రుక్టి మధ్యలో ఈ ప్రపంచం, యూనివర్స్ మొత్తం మీ బాడీలోనే ఉంది కాబట్టి జస్ట్ ఫోకస్ ఇన్వర్డ్స్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Your body is a living library. Every cell holds memory of joy, of pain, of love, of moments that are unspoken. ప్రతి కణంలో ప్రతి అనుభూతి అనేది, అది ప్రేమ కానీ, ఆనందం కానీ, బాధ కానీ, చెప్పలేనటువంటి ఎన్నో భావాలను కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్క కణం ఎప్పుడూ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని మోస్తూ ఉంటుంది. Now you are open to receive full moon energy. Just visualize from your head, crown chakra, you are receiving the very soft, peaceful and chill energy from the full moon. Open up yourself and feel that energy is carrying in your every cell. మీ యొక్క ప్రతి కణంలో ఈ యొక్క అద్భుతమైనటువంటి పీస్ఫుల్ కామ్నెస్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఫ్లో అవుతున్నట్టుగా ఊహించుకోండి. Inhale and say softly with yourself, with love, I awaken the light in every cell of my being. With love, I awaken the light in every cell of my being. ప్రేమతోని నా యొక్క ప్రతి కణంలో నేను వెలుతుర్ని, అంటే హ్యాపీ, జాయ్ ఎనర్జీని ఫిల్ చేస్తాను. As you breathe out, imagine yourself as you breathe out, imagine yourself shimmering white light descending from the moon. అత్యంత సాఫ్ట్ peaceful, calm, white vibrational energy ఫుల్ మూన్ నుండి నెమ్మదిగా మీ వైపు టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద హెడ్. ఇట్స్ స్లోలీ ఫ్లోయింగ్ త్రూ యువర్ నెక్. ఫస్ట్ it is entering from your head. Some may be observable, some may be observed light, but just give your intention. I am observing as much as possible for my body, flowing through your neck, shoulders, and your arms. This white light carries calm, forgiveness, and wisdom. ఎప్పుడైతే మీ శరీరంలోని ప్రతి కణం ఈ యొక్క శక్తిని గ్రహిస్తుందో, క్షమించే గుణాన్ని, జ్ఞానాన్ని మరియు కామ్నెస్ని మీరు చంద్రకాంతి నుండి గ్రహిస్తున్నారు. విత్ ఈచ్ బ్రెత్ this moonlight travels deeper into your chest. Observe if you are feeling tightness or maybe lightness. Observe that white beam light is slowly, deeply going into your chest. That is your heart area. Allow yourself. I am give love easily. I am receive love easily. Your spine, your abdomen. These three main areas are stored many memories in our body. Eliminating every cell, clearing old emotional imprints. నెమ్మదిగా మీ యొక్క సెల్కి చెప్పండి, అవసరం లేనటువంటి ఎమోషనల్ ఇంప్రింట్స్ ఏవైనా కానివ్వండి, నెమ్మదిగా కరిగిపోతున్నట్టుగా విజువలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. లైక్ యువర్ సెల్ ఈజ్ నౌ టేకింగ్ బ్రీత్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ. ఎమోషనల్గా ఎవరైతే ఎక్కువ బ్లాకేజ్ ఉంటుందో బ్రీతింగ్ తీసుకోవడం నెమ్మదిగా కష్టమవుతుంది. బట్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ క్లియరింగ్ విత్ దిస్ ఎనర్జీ, జస్ట్ విజువలైజ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ దట్ ఓల్డ్ ప్యాటర్న్ మెమోరీస్ ఆర్ స్లోలీ క్లియరింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ బ్లాక్ ఫోమ్ and receiving the white full moon, special super full moon, with the both divine energies are observing into your body cell. Feel your body vibrating very smoothly. As if every cell is remembering what peace feels like. ప్రతి ఒక్క కణం అనంతమైనటువంటి ప్రేమను అనుభూతి చెందినటువంటి దాన్ని మీ శరీరంలోని ప్రతి కణం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ అండ్ ఫీల్. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, release any old fear, emotional pain, anything comes in your mind, just this is not for me. This is not meant for me. ఇది నా కొరకు కాదు. Release anxiety, old fear, and emotional pain that no longer serves your path. మీ యొక్క జర్నీలో అవసరం లేనటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా రిలీజ్ చేసుకునేటువంటి శక్తి నాలో ఉంది. Take a deep inhale, and when you are exhale, release anxiety, old fear, and emotional pain that no longer serves your path. Sometimes before the full moon, emotions are rise like a waves. It's not a weakness, it's a cleansing. You are simply making space for light to enter. Just whisper in your mind, I trust the process of release. I allow my body and emotions to heal. Stay with your breath. Notice any sensation in your body parts, warmth, tingling, or maybe lightness. That's energy is moving. That's your body is saying, I am healing now. Now in the glow of this full moonlight, imagine a small gentle child standing before you. మీ ముందు మీకు నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏ చైల్డ్ అయితే కనబడుతుందో ఆ చైల్డ్ మీ యొక్క ఇన్నర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇన్నర్ చిల్డ్రన్ అనమాట. Imagine a small, gentle child standing before you. మీ పక్కన ఒక చైల్డ్, బికాస్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్నర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఎలా ఉందో అలా మీరు అనుకునేసరికి మీ ముందట ఉంటుందన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్, ప్యూర్, క్యూరియస్ and full of light. The child is glowing, or maybe how your inner child, but that inner child is today pure, very curious, we go to learn many things, and full of light. Notice their face, their eyes, their innocence. Maybe this child carries memories of being unseen, unheard, or maybe misunderstood. You don't have to fix anything, just be with them. ఎలాంటి జడ్జ్మెంట్ కానీ, ఎలాంటి అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ కానీ, ఇలానే ఉండాలని కానీ, నో, జస్ట్ బీ విత్ దెమ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారో అలా బిహేవ్ చేయండి. రీచ్ అవుట్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్, ఫీల్ దేర్ టైనీ palms touching yours, warm, trembling, and alive. చిన్నటి సాఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్స్ని ఫీల్ కండి, టచ్ని, ప్రేమని, ట్రెంబ్లింగ్, సాఫ్ట్నెస్, and whisper softly, చెవిలో నెమ్మదిగా గుసగుసగా చెప్తూ, ఐ సీ యూ, ఐ ఆమ్ హియర్ ఫర్ యూ, యు ఆర్ సేఫ్ నౌ. ఐ సీ యూ, ఐ ఆమ్ హియర్ ఫర్ యూ, యు ఆర్ సేఫ్ నౌ. నేను నిన్ను చూడగలుగుతున్నాను, వినగలుగుతున్నాను, మరియు యు ఆర్ సేఫ్ నౌ. చాలా సురక్షితంగా ఉన్నావు ఆర్ ఉన్నాడు, ఉన్నది. టేక్ ఏ ఫ్యూ మూమెంట్స్. Feel their tiny palms touching your warmness, trembling and alive. Just see their face, their innocence, and their eyes. Now imagine the white beam of full moon light descending upon both of you, wrapping you together in a cocoon of silver light. ఇప్పుడు అనంతమైనటువంటి మూన్ లైట్ మీ ఇద్దరిని ర్యాప్ చేస్తూ, ఎలాగైతే బటర్ఫ్లై ఒక కకూన్లో ఉంటుందో అలా సిల్వర్ లైట్తోని కంప్లీట్ టుగెదర్ ర్యాపింగ్ చుట్టేస్తూ, దిస్ లైట్ ఫ్లోస్ త్రూ యువర్ హార్ట్, both of your hearts, and synchronizing your breath and your heartbeat. This light flows through your hearts, your inner child heart and your heart. Both hearts are synchronizing your breath and your heartbeat also. Take a few moments, synchronize your inner child heartbeat. Both now carry that energy. మీ యొక్క ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్ యొక్క హార్ట్ బీట్, శ్వాస మరియు హార్ట్స్ కంప్లీట్గా మీతోని మమేకమవుతూ సిల్వర్ లైట్ ఎనర్జీ, అనంతమైనటువంటి చంద్రకాంతి యొక్క శక్తి మిమ్మల్ని మమేకం చేస్తుంది. బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. Every inhale connects your adult self with your child self. ప్రతి ఒక్క శ్వాసలో మీరు మరియు మీ యొక్క ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్ కనెక్టింగ్. Every exhale releases the pain stored in your cellular memory. In every exhale, release pain stored in your cellular memory. Just give your intention. Today we are going to release so much of cellular unwanted memories, because this is a beautiful moment and beautiful time, very powerful time. Let the child rest against your heart. Feel the rhythm of safety returning. చైల్డ్ మీ యొక్క హార్ట్లో ఒక సుస్థిరమైనటువంటి స్థానాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నారు. This moment heals timeline, the past, present, and future merging in divine light. Take a 1 minute of silence. Just heal yourself. The past, present, and future with the divine light. Now visualize your entire body glowing in a white golden radiance. Every cell is breathing, expanding, and contracting with the divine rhythm. ప్రకృతి మరియు పరమాత్మ యొక్క రిథంతో మీ యొక్క ప్రతి కణం శ్వాసిస్తూ మరియు ఎక్స్పాండ్ అంటే ఆ యొక్క శక్తిని మరింత పెంచుకుంటూ ప్రకృతి యొక్క రిథం, డివైన్ పరమాత్మ యొక్క రిథంతో మమేకమవుతుంది. Old cellular memories of fear, rejection, and grief dissolving completely. In their place, new vibration, love, peace, and joy. My body, whisper yourself, నెమ్మదిగా విస్పర్ చేస్తూ, my body remembers wholeness. Every cell vibrates with harmony and light. My body remembers wholeness. Every cell vibrates with harmony and light. Stay with this feeling like your inner child's laughter echoing through yourself. మీ యొక్క ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్ నవ్వుతూ ఉంటుంది. Laugh and laugh. Same reflecting, echoing through yourself. మీ యొక్క బాడీ సెల్స్ కూడా ఎకో అవుతున్నాయి దట్ లాఫర్. యు ఆర్ లిజనింగ్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ. లాఫర్ అండ్ లాఫర్. Every cell is laughing like your inner child. Laugh and light has become your language now. Lightness has become your language now. మీ యొక్క భాష ఇప్పుడు స్మైల్ మరియు లైట్నెస్. Every cell is laughing and it's echoing through your inner child. I can see in your face laughter and laughter. Now slowly place one hand on your heart and one on your navel. Everyone, place one hand on your heart and one on your navel. ఒకటి మీ హార్ట్ పైన ఒక చేతు, ఇంకొక చేతు మీ యొక్క నాభి స్థానంలో ఉంచుతూ Feel the warmth and feel the pulse. Ishwar, with the deep gratitude, thank you, my body, for remembering love. Thank you, inner child, for trusting me again. Thank you, moon, for illuminating my truth. Once again, thank you, my body, for remembering love. Thank you, inner child, for trusting me again. Thank you, moon, for illuminating my truth. సత్యాన్ని నాకు చూపించినందుకు. Because everybody have that energy. The white light from the moon now expands behind your body, behind your aura, and becoming a sphere of serenity around you. ఇప్పుడు మూన్ లైట్ నుండి వచ్చే అటువంటి శక్తి మీ వెనుక, మీ శరీరం యొక్క ఆరాలో, మీ యొక్క అరౌండ్, మీరు ఎక్కడైతే ఉన్నారో కంప్లీట్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతూ, నౌ యు ఆర్ రేడియంట్, యు ఆర్ హోల్, యు ఆర్ హోమ్. Slowly bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the grass beneath you, the cool air brushing your cheeks, the moonlight shimmering above. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, smile very beautifully and gently. You have reconnected your inner child and your cellular memory. Now both of them dance in light. You have released what was heavy and returned to peace. Say to yourself, I am light, I am safe, I am love. Bow gently to the full moon, to the earth, and to yourself, and focus in between again your eyebrows. మీ యొక్క ఐబ్రోస్ మధ్యలో మళ్ళీ ఫోకస్ ఉంచి, ఫీల్ నౌ వేర్ యు ఆర్. జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ యువర్ సరౌండింగ్స్. క్యారీ దిస్ ఎనర్జీ towards throughout the day, throughout the night, and carry this meditation whole month to reconnect with your inner child every day. If you want, you can continue the meditation. Again, say thank you to the moon, thank you to yourself, and thank you to the Mother Earth. Slowly open, if you are comfortable, open your eyes and sip the water. As much as possible, ఎక్కువ వాటర్, ఒక గ్లాస్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తీసి just sip the water. And now keep a notebook, okay? Write yourself. If you want to share with me, otherwise not an issue. Just write yourself. When we are connecting, we have different types of feeling in different types. Because first time maybe we are connected slowly, but daily when you are doing the meditation, after the meditation, what I am released and how I am feeling, how I am connected. So just carry one notebook and write yourself. And Now, anybody want to continue the meditation? Okay, if you feel free, now share your experience. Now, slowly I'm stopping the music. మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని ఎలా క్యారీ చేశారని ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ షేర్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. హాయ్ భువన.
I'm
Nice.
doing first time meditation.
Yeah.
I never sat for 20 minutes like this before.
Yeah.
So this is the first time I'm doing meditation. So first time connecting with inner child too. While I was connecting, I felt tears in my eyes. I don't know how it came, and it went away. As soon as I visualized moonlight on me, it went away. So I can feel it.
Very nice, Mona.
Actually, moon is here. Now it's like 6:30. Almost here already.
Wow.
6:30 Tuesday night.
Okay. Very nice. So carry that energy, Mona, because it's have the huge divine energy. Okay, so the divine energy and our intention both will combine, that will going to work miracle. Because everything is frequency, right? So that's why anything will be there that is going to be dissolved. But we need to connect through the meditation. Slowly we are going to connect with that nature's power, nature's vibration.
Yeah, I don't know why I cried.
Yeah, you are connected with your inner child, no? That's why.
What we have to write?
So how I am feeling, first thing.
After
At present, yeah, this moment only. Okay. And how I am seeing my inner child. Okay, if you are observe the face, or maybe moon, innocence, or maybe touch, or maybe anything like you are feeling tears, right? Maybe that is the tears of pain, or maybe tears of the joy also. Just you can mention one word, okay? Because when you are doing this meditation throughout the month, first time you are connecting in different way. Maybe second time you are connecting in another way. Every time we can carry, we can release different pain and different intensity also.
Okay.
ఓకే. శారదా మేడం ఏమంటున్నారు? ఒక్క నిమిషం. Yeah, maybe madam has given person. Okay. If you want, you can share, madam. Otherwise, it's okay. Sharda madam is dropped one message.
Ma'am, I'll share offline. I want to drop off. I'll talk to you later.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Satyavani madam is saying second time join. Positive vibe. Thank you, madam. Okay. So everybody carry this positivity. If you are doing again and again, then only we can carry that energy. Otherwise, we are the human. Slowly it is going to be dropped. But one stable level, within the fraction of second, we are going to be connected. Okay, Nagalakshmi garu maybe first time join ayinattunnaru. So what are the rituals? So everybody, please, now it's a rainy time. Okay, so rainy time lo you can collect the rainwater. If it is possible, connect and keep with it. And rainy water tone you can do the moon charging water also. Because rainwater have the different type of minerals, okay, that have that already it's a pure form, okay, because it's the ending of the rainy season, and it will carry the divine frequency, okay. So you can keep with the moon charging water. Everybody knows how we can do the moon charging, right? Fill in a glass bottle and keep outside, okay, before the sunrise. You can keep, and you can sip daily with the faith and belief, because all these are energy, vibration, everything is work, faith and belief only. Okay, రోజు కొంచెం, if you want to improve your health, add in when you are drinking water, okay, in daytime, morning time, just you can add 1 drop or maybe 1 teaspoon of water in that. Okay, if you want to improve your physical health, like skin glowing, hair, that also you can add in your bath. అంటే మీరు స్నానం చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా బాత్లో కూడా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ గివ్ యువర్ ఇంటెన్షన్. అంటే మీ సంకల్పం అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలన్నమాట. వై యు ఆర్ గివింగ్, వై యూ వాంట్ దట్ ఎనర్జీ, అంటే దేనికి మీరు ఎనర్జీ వైబ్రేషన్ ఛానలైజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు, హెల్త్కా, ఫిజికల్ బ్యూటీకా, మెంటల్ హెల్త్కా, దట్ ఈస్ డిపెండింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఓకే. And crystal charging, today is the best day, full moon day. Every moon time who are wearing the crystals, you can do the crystal charging, and go and walk under the full moon barefoot, and spend some time, if available for everybody. Wow, Bona, you are showing the full moon.
Can you see it? It's so
Yes, exactly. You are seeing it's illuminating, very white and bright full moon. Yeah.
yeah, it's so big. It just came.
Yeah. Okay. So you can spend some time, okay, nature, and walk and sit, just sit and observe the full moon. Okay, you can carry that energy. Thank you, everybody. So I'm going to upload this video maybe 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And so celebrate the festival who are celebrating. Otherwise, you can keep the gratitude journal, and you can connect with your inner child and just mention without adjusting and without doing anything, just as it is, you can connect with your inner child. That is your true self. మీ యొక్క ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్ మీరు ఎలా అనుకుంటున్నారో ఫిక్స్ చేయకుండా, మీకు ఏదైతే ఫస్ట్ కనిపిస్తుందో దట్ ఈస్ ద రియల్ ట్రూత్ అనమాట. యాక్సెప్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ రైటింగ్. ఓకే, అందుకోసమనే ఇన్నర్ చైల్డ్ హీలింగ్ సెషన్స్లో ఇవన్నీ చాలా డీపర్గా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, నౌ మేబీ యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టూడ్ బోనా, రైట్? స్లోలీ ఓకే. Okay, bye all of you, and follow the rituals. And I'm going to some rituals in the Srushti Rachna group. What you can do, if you are interested, you can do today those rituals also. Okay. Thank you all for joining today's session, and everybody. So you can do with your family also, because when we are doing, we are vibrating, but when our family members also combine, so automatically we are changing that our home environment also without doing anything. Okay. So bye all of you. We will meet at 5:30 p.m. in the session. Thank you once again.